Hi, today let's continue to take a look at the Sunway Bhd. We're going to look at the trend, the support and resistance. So without further ado, let us have a look at the daily chart of Sunway Bhd. Now this stock has been going up a lot from lows of about 1.85, I think 1.85 to now 3.32. Okay, it's a massive game. Almost going to be 100% return in a very short period of time. Now you can see how the stock break out. This is the weekly chart. Okay, you can see how the stock broke out of a triangle kind of pattern in the weekly chart. When a stock forms a triangle pattern at the rising weekly 20 MA, you can actually play the breakout, buying here with a stop loss and riding it higher. Okay, and it's a continuation pattern. The stock moved up and then traded sideways a bit from a triangle pattern, and when it breaks out of this triangle, it's a continuation pattern. But as you can see right now, it is making, I think, new all-time highs. We take a look at the monthly chart. It broke out of a monthly ascending triangle. So for the long term, this area will be a long-term support area. I'm talking about monthly chart. So it has formed a very long base from back in 2017 almost to 2023. So this is going to be a very strong area of support. See a lot of things they build up over time before they move up higher. So 1.8 is a support area for those who are investing in the long term. Of course, it's the breakout which I showed you just now, and because the base was so long, there's no surprise that the stock move up a lot. So when you see strong and long bases, right, over a period of years, when the breakout happens, it can be very magnificent. And I think we are in a long term uptrend. Okay, let's go back to the daily chart. Okay, we want to look at it, the trend. I think in the past I highlighted to you about this a small ascending triangle breakout, where you can buy the breakout, put a stop loss here or here, and just ride it higher. Okay, these are some of the continuation patterns that you can find in the stock. Maybe here's another continuation pattern, breakout above consolidation. Here is also another one. When the stock is in an uptrend, there's a lot of breakouts that you can buy. Bottoming tail here, trying to correct, but because there's support here, it goes back up and breaks out. Previous today there was a small bottoming tail as well. Bottoming tail in an uptrend shows a rejection of going lower, and which is why today it shot up high. So at this moment, we need to look at the trend itself. The trend is definitely up because it's above the rising 20 MA, above the rising 50 MA, and of course above the rising 200 MA. This tells us that you should be bullish short term, mid term, and long term. Now I think maybe when I was commenting about this, I think about here, many who have listened to my analysis will have thought, hey, can it go even higher? But if the trend is up, you should continue to be bullish right here, although it's a bit parabolic at this moment, right? As long as it's above the 20 MA, you should continue to be bullish. Now stocks can go parabolic, can maybe go even higher, reach 350 or whatever, but you do not want to be bearish on the stock unless it first of all breaks below the 20 MA. And the support area here, this is also a support area. Every consolidation in sideways trading is a support area. 1 layer, 2 layer, 3 layer, here is also a support area. So if it goes up, and some may be afraid that it may crash down just like that, it's not going to happen that way, because it needs to blast through a lot of this support area before it goes back down to 180, which is the long-term support. So at this moment, you just want to stay bullish. The trend is your friend. when it comes to trading and trend following, the maxim, the trend is your friend, is extremely important. I know it gets a bit boring, but if the stock is above the 20 MA, above the rising 50 MA, just follow the trend. Okay, just don't be smart and give an exact target, you know, just ride the trend. Now let me just switch to the 60-minute chart. 60-minute chart, there are a lot of breakouts. It's a breakout here, there is also a breakout here, you know, it's above the rising 20 MA, 50 MA, 200 MA in the 60-minute chart. Breakout, you can buy here, put a stop loss, buy here, put a stop loss, and ride it higher. And at this moment, still above the 20 MA in the 60-minute, so you should continue to remain bullish buyers until it drops below the 20 MA. So again, I have to repeat, the trend is your friend. Be bullish on the stock until the trend changes. And if you find this analysis helpful, do like this video and subscribe to my channel for more analysis like this, and I'll see you in the next one.